warm. He doing like that. He's, yeah. He's rubbing his body. Yeah, Bobo. Just feel it, feel it. Because just that the carpet is from the washing machine, and then it's so warm, a little bit hot. See, he feel it, he feel it. Yan. Yes, Bobo. Kaya kasi nilagay ko dyan kasi nga nabasa. At nilagay ko sandali sa dry machine. Hindi ko na completely dry kasi nga masisira yung rubber niya. Ayan, nilagay ko dyan para mag-completely tuyo. Matuyo siya. Ayan, yung aking cutie-cutie. Nagustuhan niya. Ayan. And so, he rubbing his body. Ayan. So, yeah, and this is our vlog for today, Baba. Yeah? Feeling good? Feeling good, ba? Baba, you feeling good? Kasi nga maano dito, guys, mainit dyan na part. Kasi nga nag-ano ako ng washing and then we dry. Kasi dito yung aming washroom at saka toilet. So, ayan. Ayan. Naging ano ata siya. Mainit-init kasi yung yung carpet. Ayan. So, get up now, boy. Get up. So, get up. Okay, we end our vlog. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. This is our vlog today. Thank you. Bye. God bless everybody.